Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very simple and nutritious and baby friendly snack, a paneer stick, using an air fryer. Perfect BLW and suitable for babies 8 months old and above. First I take some fresh homemade paneer and cut into sticks shapes just like this you can see in this video. It is very easy for baby to hold in a hand and they can easily bite onto it. After this, now place the sticks into air fryer tray set and gently spread a small pinch of black pepper on the paneer stick, but you can completely skip if your baby hasn't started spices. Then spread a ghee to help in the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Now place the sticks into air fryer and set the temperature of the 200 degrees Celsius and let it cook for your at least 5 minutes.